In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save homes you like for later on zillow.com. Whether you're just browsing or seriously house hunting, saving listings for future reference can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can easily access properties at your convenience. First, open your web browser and go to zillow.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't registered yet, you can do so by clicking on the Sign Up option and following the prompts. Having an account is important because it enables Zillow to save your preferences and listings in a personalized space just for you. Now that you're logged in, let's get started with searching for homes. You'll see a search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can type in the location you're interested in. It could be a city, a neighborhood, or even a zip code. Once you've entered your desired location, click on the search icon or press enter. The site will then generate a list of available homes in that area along with their details. With your search results in front of you, scroll through the options and choose a property that catches your eye. When you find a house you'd like to potentially save for later, direct your attention to the top right corner of that particular listing. You'll notice a heart icon, which is the key to saving the house to your favorites. Click on it and you'll see the heart turn solid. This signifies that this home is now saved. If you wish to continue exploring, feel free to repeat the process. Search through other areas or property types, and each time a listing piques your interest, click that trusty heart icon to save it again. This feature is especially handy if you're considering multiple homes across different locations. Now, when you're ready to review all the homes you've saved, look toward the top of the Zillow page. You'll find a button labeled Saved Homes. Just click on it. This will redirect you to a personalized page displaying all the listings you've marked with a heart. Here you can view detailed information on each property, compare them, and even remove any listings that no longer interest you by simply clicking the heart icon again to unsave. Having all your potential homes organized in one place makes the house hunting journey so much more efficient. With your saved list, it's easier to weigh your choices and make well-informed decisions without feeling overwhelmed by the options. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to manage your property interests on zillow.com. Thanks for joining us, and happy house hunting!